I am back. So today in this video, I am going to be creating the latte makeup look, which has been trending on social media, and I've been seeing such beautiful looks. So I wanted to create that on myself. So this particular look is sultry, sexy, and very model-esque. So let's get into it. To do this look, I'm going to be using the Dazzle range from Makeup Secrets. Now, this range has 10 brushes in it. I have 5 of them, which I am going to be using to create this look. Now, these brushes are made in India. They are super soft, like the bristles are super soft, as you can see. Very high quality premium brushes. So let's get started. I have already done my base, my brows are done. So I'm going to move on to my eyes directly. So I'm going to start off by using the Dome Blender DE08 brush. As you can see, it's a dense dome brush, and I am going to be using a brown shade like so. You can use any brown shade that you have. I'm going to be using this particular brown shade. As you can see, gonna pick it up on this brush and gonna start stamping this on my eyelids. I've already primed my eyelids with some concealer, and now my eyes are ready to go. So I'm just picking this product, tapping out the excess, and just gonna start stamping this product, like stamping this eyeshadow on my eyelids. I'm just gonna get y'all a little bit closer. As you can see, this particular brush is very dense, so it's picking up the product really well and placing it very well on the eyelids. And now I'm just gonna blend out the edges, and you're gonna see that it also blends the edges very softly and very precisely in place, which is what I like about this particular brush. Next, I'm going to be using the shader SDE15 brush, and I'm just going to take this particular light brown shade just to blend out the edges in my transition area. Now, as you can see, this is like a fat, fluffy brush, which is beautiful to blend out the eyeshadow in your transition area, and also you can use this to pack color on your eyelids. First, I'm just going to blend this transition shade in my transition area. As you can see, you see that it's so easy and so fast to actually apply the transition shade and to just merge these two shades together, two eyeshadows together, and it's very, very soft on application as well. That's it. I'm also going to take the same dark brown shade on this shader brush and apply this in my lower lash line, just to give me some brown smokiness underneath my eyes as well. And then using the precision liner brush and this black eyeshadow, I am gonna draw a wing. Now I am using an eyeshadow as opposed to an eyeliner because I want the wing to be a little bit softer. Also using the same shade to extend my inner corners. Now just to darken up the outer corners, I'm just going to use this dark brown shade on the same Dome Blender brush and just going to smoke out my outer edge. Applying some mascara to complete the look. Using the powder brush to set my makeup in place. Now this particular brush is so soft and it just sets my makeup beautifully, like gives me a very airbrushed look. As you can see, it's so soft and this diffuses the powder really well. Now this look is not going to be complete without some bronzer, so I am using the Blush DF17 brush. Now this is used to apply blush, but I am going to be using this to apply my bronzer as well. So you can, use one brushes for multiple things. So I am going to first place this right in the hollows of my cheeks. And again, this is a very precise brush but also fluffy at the same time. As you can see, it's flat, so it's a little precise because of that, and then it's fluffy right here, which helps in blending it out as well. So it gives me this very soft look, as you can see, and I can, give myself this lifted look. Now, this latte makeup, I am not gonna apply any blush. And there was a time where I never used to apply blush, only bronzer. And I used to love it because I used to love that bronzy, browny, nude looking skin. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just applying it on my forehead, warming up my face. And then also using the same brush to contour my nose. And this is going to help in contouring the nose very lightly, very naturally. So I don't mind that. I'm again going to use the same dome brush and going to pick up this highlighter shade and highlight my inner corners with this. The shape of this brush is so versatile for so many different things. And the last part is some lipstick, which is going to be a brown nude. This is my take on the latte makeup look. It's like smoky eyes, like brown smoky eyes, bronzy skin, nude lips, brown tone nude lips. This is the kind of look that I absolutely love, and I love wearing such looks pretty often. You guys must have seen me wearing this particular tones very often. I absolutely love them, and as you guys saw, it was so easy to do. And also I wanted to mention these brushes that I used to create this entire look. I feel like these brushes are perfect for beginners. These are very premium, luxurious brushes. 5 brushes was all I needed to create this beautiful soft glam look. So yeah, definitely check these out in the description box below. I am gonna leave a link to them. So yeah, that's it. If you all did like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also let me know what you guys would like to see in the future, because I'm gonna be creating more videos for you all which are more on the educative side. So yeah, that's it. Let me know in the comment section below what y'all would like to see, and I am gonna go now, and I'll see y'all in my next video very soon. Until then, bye.